Hi guys, it's a beautiful morning here in Disney World. I'm at Bay Lake Tower, and it's just a gloriously beautiful morning. And I'm out here on the balcony, not just to enjoy the view, but to talk about condensation. So we've all dealt with condensation before. Basically, you have glasses or sunglasses on, you're in a cold room, you walk out into the heat and humidity, and you fog over. And, it's something that we've all experienced. Not a big deal if, give it a few minutes to clear up, it's not a big deal. But when you have camera gear and big camera gear and heavy lenses and stuff with a lot of glass in them, if you're in a situation where those condense, so you have a condensation on your lenses, it takes a long time for that to go away. So a little bit of planning ahead can actually make it a lot easier. Now I know I'm a little dark here, but I want to kind of keep this nice beautiful view behind me. I've had it happen to me several times, you're ready to shoot, you go out in the morning, you take your camera out, you take your lens out, you go to take your first shot, and the whole thing just fogs over. And there's nothing you can do. You have to just wait for it to go away. You can wipe it away, it's going to come right back again. It's very frustrating. There's nothing that you can do. Except there's some things you can do if you plan ahead a little bit, if you have an opportunity to basically take care of the condensation beforehand. So when I'm at a hotel like this with a balcony, which is really great, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my camera gear all out on the balcony. Put it on a chair, on a table, just lay everything out. And this is going to be basically my staging area for packing up my bag every day. So I've got over here, I've got my gear laid out. I've got my camera bags out here, and I have a plastic sheet that I can kind of put over everything, when I'm not out here. This way, in case it rains, there's an overhang, but if it starts to rain, everything doesn't get soaked, which is good. So I'll leave everything out here the whole time. This way, it's always acclimated to the outdoor heat and humidity. So when I want to grab my stuff and go, it's not going to fog over. It's not going to have a condensation problem because it's already been adjusted to the outside environment. Now, if you don't have a room like this where you can leave it out on a balcony all night, something else that you can do, if you have like a motel-style hotel room, if you're in there alone, you can open the door first thing in the morning and let some of that humidity in, leave your bag by the front door. You can leave your bag outside the front door, maybe. The sooner that you can get it outside in the morning and get your stuff to start to get used to the outside humidity and environment, this quicker your stuff is going to adjust and you're not going to have a condensation problem. You can also, if you want to put your bag out in the car in the morning and maybe crack the windows open a little bit, any little thing that you can do to get ahead of the game, speed things up a little bit is going to work. I've had some situations where I didn't have an opportunity to put the bag outside at all in the morning, so maybe what I'll do is find a place where you can go to breakfast and you can sit outside. So, grab your food, grab your coffee or your tea, and just put your gear out on the table and sit there for half hour, 45 minutes, read, do whatever you got to do. This way your gear's, changing over to the environment, it's all ready to go, and when you go out to shoot, everything is ready. There's nothing more frustrating than wanting to go out and get stuff done in the morning and get shooting done, and you can't because everything's fogged over. So anything that you can do to stay ahead is going to help you out. But the key to the whole thing is give your gear time to adjust to the heat and humidity. That's the only thing that you can do is time. Let it adjust on its own. Put it in a bag, put it outside as soon as you can to let it adjust to that climate. So I hope you found this helpful. I'm going to give you another view of this beautiful morning before we go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.